Hello everyone, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel I share my trading journey. I analyze the daily directional bias of the pairs I trade, which are GBPUSD, EURUSD, XAUUSD, GBPJPY. I do this daily, so in case you want to be seeing what my view is in the market, what I'm looking at in the market, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because you are literally going to be getting this every day. It's just like more of like a signal. You get to see what I'm looking at, where I'm looking to trade from, how I'm likely to position myself in the market. Alright guys, without wasting much of our time, let's get into the business of the day. Okay guys, so you can see, let's quickly go to investing.com and confirm what we have on our economic calendar. We can see something here. All right, today is 26th Wednesday June, right? So we can see that we have a high impact news on by 3 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. GMT +1, guys. So these are just news that will bring liquidity or volatility to the marketplace, right? So these ones I do trade during these kinds of news events, because they actually make the market to be more volatile. All right guys, so as we can see right here guys, uh we are bullish on the dollar, and I did mention on Sunday that which is going to on Monday, that if you check episode 6 of my daily directional bias video, it's actually a playlist. You can check the playlist, check episode 6. I did mention that I was looking for price to sell into this fair value gap here, and then from here I would love to see price trade higher to take out this draw on liquidity. First, this will be our first draw on liquidity, what we are looking at for price to take out. So maybe probably towards the end of the week we'll see if price could possibly come and take out this relative equal highs here guys. So this is actually what I'm looking at. So coming into the daily time frame, and yesterday price traded and did all of this yesterday. So on Monday price got to our level, this fair value gap. You can see guys, price took liquidity here, and which is very cool. I told you guys that what happened here, I was waiting for that to also replay, to also happen here, which possibly you can see that it's happened, right? So all, and again, you guys should make sure you take note of the higher time frames, right? You can see that price respected that higher time frame point of interest, or that higher time frame institutional reference point, which is the fair value gap. So that's why it's good for you to start your analysis from the higher time frame into the lower time frame, guys. So so that's actually how I was able to know that price was going to trade, violate this order block here, and trade into this fair value gap. Now on Tuesday price started trading higher. Actually I positioned myself guys, and I told you guys already that this is what I was expecting to see, and price actually did that. So what are we looking at now, today being Monday guys? I'm actually looking at the continuation for price to come and take out this high. Our price is just at the middle right now, so I'm not sure I'll be doing anything. I'll just fold my hands and look at price. Is actually more of the premium, is at the premium level right now. So I'll just watch price take out this high, right? So I'll just fold my hands. I won't be doing anything, because there's actually nothing for me to do unless price fails to take out this high, and then maybe trade into this fair value gap, right? Come back into this fair value gap, then from here I might be looking for another opportunity to sell again, right? But without, if this is not done, let's say price takes out the Asia low, trade into this 4-hour fair value gap, and then I'll look for possible longs here around this level. Are you getting it guys? So it should be that price takes out the Asia low. You can see Asia low is done, and we are out of Asia section right now. So what I'm looking at is here Asia low being taken out, price trade into the 4-hour fair value gap, and then continue. If it does that, guys, I don't really want price to do that because I'm currently in a trade, so I really don't want price to do that. All right, because if price does that, GBPUSD is very stubborn, right? I'm on GBPUSD. It's very stubborn. I would have if I had traded Euro USD, I would have like even gone out of that trade already. But then I'm still on the trade because of this GBPUSD refused to sell, right? So this is what I'm looking at. You can see this fair value gap. So if price trades into it, right? But for now, I'll just fold my hands. But when I'll have opportunity to continue to buy is when price takes out the Asia low and then trades into this 4-hour fair value gap, although it has already been mitigated by this candle, but then and this general reference market can be mitigated up twice, right? So once it comes into it, and then I will from here I'll position myself to go for longs, right? So let's go to GBPUSD, guys. Honestly speaking, if I have my way, I won't trade this GBPUSD. This guy, so this is my trade. I took a trade first yesterday and it just took me out. This was my first entry yesterday, but I was swept out, right? Price swept me out and they started trading my direction, guys. Honestly, GBPUSD was really stubborn because I actually use DXY confluence, so DXY was just busy buying, GBPUSD was busy buying too. Very stubborn pair, right? So that's why I got stopped out there, but I'm still on this position. I don't know what price is going to do, but whatever price does, I'm on it, right? I'm on it. So it's either it stop me out or it goes my direction. So there's actually nothing here. I'll preferably go to, I'll just have to go to Euro USD because Euro USD chart is cleaner right now. And I told you guys on Euro USD here that I was going to see what price trade into, fill up this fair value gap, trade into this other block, and then start trading lower. And what happened? That's what it did. That's actually what happened, guys. So thank God for that. Um, so right now we have, let me delete this. I think we have met that fulfill that mission, price has met that objective, right? So let's come into this region now. So this is a fair value gap that has been already been traded into. So there's really nothing here, guys. I won't lie to you, there's really nothing here, guys. So price has traded into this fair value, and then all I'll just have to wait for, guys, if possibly price takes out this high, and then I see which is takes out Asia high, and then if I see opportunities, I will just go in for a set, right? So that's actually what I'm looking at, guys. Apart from this, there's really nothing else I'm looking at in the market this morning. Let's quickly take a look at XAUUSD. So XAUUSD, it has pretty been doing so much because because the guy stopped me out on Monday, but then I've been observing it. You can see price did not come to our point of interest, which is this 4-hour fair value gap. We are just here, guys. So price has started going bearish. Yesterday night I was looking at XAUSD. I knew that price was actually going to go bearish. I was looking at it because I saw that, guys. Just look at what's happening here. Just look at what's happening. Price fade, price traded into this daily order block and fade and give a bearish candle, right? And then right now we can see what price is doing, another bearish candle. So this could mean that our next zone on XAUSD, the next target is 2,287,000, right? So that's actually what I'm looking at. XAU trading into, that's actually what I'm looking at, guys. Really nothing else, but if I get a sell opportunity, I'll get into this, guys. So if I get a sell opportunity, price has actually traded efficiently here. So price has traded efficiently here. There's really nothing much here to look at, but then let me go to the hourly time frame. So I'll just watch if price will take out Asia high, and if I get any support, anything at all, institutional reference point, to support my buyers, I will take a sell. But what I'm looking at right this morning is just to sell XAUSD. That's what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at buying it. I'm looking at selling it into this external range liquidity or sell side liquidity, guys. So my buyers, GBPUSD said I can't even say anything about GBPUSD right now, but EURUSD is said, XAUSD is said. Let's quickly check out GBPJPY. And this guy has one of the reasons I don't even like GBPJPY is that he really gives an entry because the price is just scorchy like this, just like this. So I believe people that will really be having entries are people that are trading on the lower time frame. But for me, I don't really have much entries, so I might likely look for another pair to replace this guy. I won't lie to you. So price, the way price moves here, I really don't like it. So it's just being bullish. So just go bullish. Everything is just bullish. So look at it, guys. So that is just bullish, so just look for bullish trades. But me, I'm not going to take any trade because before I take any trade, I will have to see and take my trades at the premium or discount array. So price is currently at a premium level, so I can't buy because I have to even be looking for sell right now, not even buy. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. But I'm not selling this guy because it's very bullish, as you can see. Let's check our yen basket. Wow, yen basket is bearish, so it's just going down, 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 down. All right, guys, thank you for today's video. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you watch the next episode, like this video, subscribe to this channel. All right, guys.